Welcome back to Bike Buzz, your ultimate destination for all things motorcycles. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated cruisers of the year, the 2009 Honda Furry Chopper. Known for its bold design and signature Honda reliability, the Fury is back with some exciting updates for 2025. Let's explore what this stunning chopper has to offer. Design and styling. The 2025 Honda Fury stays true to its chopper roots with a long stretched frame and minimalist bodywork. Honda has introduced fresh paint options, including a striking metallic red and matte black, making the bike even more head-turning. The slim fuel tank and massive 21-inch front wheel give it that classic, custom-built look, while LED lighting ensures a modern touch. It's a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Fury houses Honda's proven 1312cc V-twin engine. With a smooth low-end torque curve and a rumbling exhaust note, this engine provides the perfect soundtrack for long highway rides. The 5-speed transmission offers effortless gear shifts, and the fuel-injected system ensures optimal performance even in varying conditions. Whether cruising city streets or open highways, the Fury delivers power and precision. Comfort and ride quality. The Fury is designed with comfort in mind. Its low-slung saddle, ergonomic handlebars, and forward-mount foot pegs create a relaxed riding position for hours of enjoyable cruising. The adjustable rear suspension and wide rear tire contribute to a smooth and stable ride. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to choppers, the Fury promises a comfortable experience. Tech features. For 2025, Honda has equipped the Fury with a digital LCD instrument cluster, providing key information like speed, fuel level, and gear position at a glance. Additionally, the bike features a USB charging port, making it easy to keep your devices powered during long rides. While it stays true to its classic chopper identity, these modern touches elevate the overall experience. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Honda Fury offers incredible value for its class, with a starting price of around $13,999. It's competitively priced against other factory-built choppers and comes with Honda's legendary build quality and reliability. The bike is now available at dealerships across the country, ready to make your cruising dreams a reality. Conclusion. Ride in style with the Fury. The 2025 Honda Fury is a bold statement in the cruiser world, combining timeless chopper aesthetics with modern engineering. Whether you're drawn to its eye-catching design, reliable performance, or comfortable ride, the Fury delivers on all fronts. Thanks for tuning into Bike Buzz. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and updates. Ride safe, and we'll see you on the road.